Hardware parts and devices. Now let us discuss about the hardware to know the various parts of the computer. Monitor. It is a display unit. All commands and displays you can see on monitor only. There are different types of monitors available in the market. You can choose as you like. Keyboard. It is a input device. You should enter all commands or text data through keyboard only. Keyboards are available as use and throw and mechanical. You can choose any keyboard as per your requirement. Mouse. By this device, you can access files or folders. You also can do many more operations through mouse. Mouses available as normal, optical and cordless respectively. CPU. CPU means Central Processor Unit. CPUs are available in 100 MHz, 233 MHz, 600 MHz and higher side processors also available as per your requirement presently. The total speed of the computer is depending on the capacity of the CPU. Drives. FDD. Floppy disk drive available in 360 KB, 1.2 MB and 1.44 MB. It is a storage media. You can store your valuable information on FDD up to 1.44 MB. Long-term storage of important data on FDD is not advisable. CD drive. It is a compact disk. Available as only reader and read or writer. It is also a storage media. You can store up to 700 MB data or information in CD. For permanent storage of any information on CD drive is advisable. HDD. It is a hard disk drive available in 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB and also higher side as per your requirement. This is a fixed storage device. You can store any type of data in this device. You are supposed to start all operating systems from hard disk drive only. Speakers. You can get speakers in different configuration. Speakers are output devices for sound, listening songs, music and any other voice-based subjects. SMPS. It is a power supply unit. It carries power supply to motherboard, hard disk, CD drive and floppy drive etc. Network cards. By these cards, you can connect one computer to another computer for easy transferring of information from one place to another place from any distance within short time. Example, Internet, LAN, WAN connections. Modems. Modems are available as external and internal. Modems can utilize for internet connection purpose. Now you are looking external modem. Printer. Printers available as dot matrix printer, line printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Printers are always output devices. You can print any information on printers. Scanner. Scanners are available in different configuration. This is input device. By scanners, you can scan photos, numeric and text data as you like. Webcam. Webcams are available in different models. This is an input device for videos and it can be used for videos and net meetings. Headphones. Headphones are output devices for sound. This device you can use as speakers. RAM. RAM means random access memory. RAMs are available in 16 MB, 32 MB, 64 MB and above. This is a temporary memory device. If you want to run huge programs on your computer, you should use RAM accordingly. Motherboard. All the accessories are linked with motherboard. That is why this motherboard is the most important main part in total computer. Cards are cables. Power supply and network cables are called as cards or cables. CPU and CPU fan. This is the one of the most important part in total computer. 100% processing speed is dependent on processor capacity only. Hub. Hub is a very good part for networking system. Nowadays, people are using different type of systems for internal networking system. Example: wire networking with cables, wireless networking without cables. You will come to know the value of hungry when you are in rich hungry. Thank you.